Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you will start drop shipping on eBay. So let's get started. First of all, open AutoDS and select eBay as a platform. And now open Walmart or any other e-commerce store. Here search for the category. Here we choose storage container and copy the title of the product. So go to AutoDS and click that product research button. Paste the title in the search bar and click search. Here you see the overall graph of that product. Now if you want to see the particular sale of different sellers, then click that scan seller button and see the graph of that particular seller. Now open your AutoDS dashboard and click on add products button. After that, select single product and go to Walmart and copy the URL. After copying the product URL, paste it here and now click publish to store button or edit if you want to edit anything. And now if you are doing any change in the website, it will automatically appear in AutoDS. That's how you will do dropshipping on eBay. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.